recording doesn't mean this is what's going to go on because Mommy will edit it. But first I want to show how sparkly the package is.
Can I say something?
Sure.
Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. We have these sparkly packages.
From the Gypsy Shrine, which is a glitter company. And they came, 4 or 5 days ago? But we've been kind of sick, so we haven't opened them. But now we feel better, right? Do you feel better?
So we're going to open them in front of this screen, right in front of you guys. This is, again, how the package looks like. It's all this shiny rainbow. Now, we're going to open this up really soon. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hi, everybody. I'm Ariel with Arielpaints, and this is...
Billy!
This is Billy, who you might have seen in some of my other videos. Today we are going to do an unboxing, or unbagging, I should say, of some Gypsy Shrine products, and they came in this amazing glittery package. How fun was that? The second the postman came with this, I knew exactly what it was. Exciting, right? So we are just going to open this up and show you guys. This came probably 4 or 5 days ago, but Billy and I have both been kind of sick, so we've just been waiting to open it, and she decided to do the video with me because you want to see what's in there too, right? And we also did our makeup together this morning. Can you tell how pretty little Billy looks and how blushy her cheeks are? So we're going to just go ahead and open this stuff up, and I'm going to explain to you guys what I got. I'm so excited, and I thought you guys might want to see it too. So, we're going to start opening stuff.
We're going to start opening stuff.
Stay tuned, and we'll get into it.
Oh my god. Okay.
Make sure you're in the frame. Like, scooch real close to me so you're in the frame.
Now,
You need help?
no, it's just kind of sticky.
Hold on, honey. I got a thing to do it. Oh, can you rip it?
Now,
You want some coffee? No?
I just found in the packet, we have these stars that are silver.
Okay, so if you guys don't know, the Gypsy Shrine is a really cool company. I think they're out of the UK. And they just have the coolest glitter. And they had some holiday sales, and I just couldn't help myself, so I got a lot of stuff. These little stars are holographic stars, and it's loose, chunky glitter, but look how they reflect the light. Isn't that pretty? I am so excited to use these.
And also, we got this red little glitter. It's still loose glitter. And it's like, look how shiny that is. It's
like
it's chunky still.
It didn't have any holiday glitter like red or green. So I thought this red would be really pretty because then I can use it for Valentine's Day too. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And I
That's
also
pretty. I like it.
found this.
What else do you have in there?
This.
What do you think those are, Billy?
Something to go on your forehead.
Close. So these are, go ahead and get in here. So these are Diamond Skull Teeth Jewels. So if you guys aren't familiar, the Gypsy Shrine has a lot of really cool gems for festivals and for really like glam looks. So I thought these would be cool for a just glam skull, and I don't know when I'm going to do that. It might not even be till next Halloween, but since I was getting a big shipment, I thought I would go ahead and throw those in because I've always wanted them.
Scissors?
I do have some scissors. Oh, hold on. Let's show them that box. That's cool.
I found this box in here.
So this, I think, is probably going to be one of the sets that I got. Sorry, I'm covering up your little face, Billy Boo. There's Billy Boo. So I got a set of glitter that was like multiple pots of glitter and glue and all this stuff because I'm doing a New Year's Eve party and I want to have a separate glitter station. So that was one of the things behind me getting this bigger order. And look, it comes in like a nice, oh, sorry, Lovey. Are you okay? It pinched you? I'm sorry. Oh, well, here, don't hold it. So this, I think, is the set that I got with all the different glitters in it, and it comes in this really nice turned-edged box with a bow. How cute is that? Sorry, was I covering you up?
Yeah.
The other reason why I wanted to get all these glitters is because I have a New Year's Eve event that I'm doing, and I want to have a separate glitter station, so I felt like I needed to up my glitter game a little bit. So here, can you pull the bow? Pull the bow. And let's open it up and see. Ooh, let's show them. Oh my goodness. Look at all the stuff in here.
Can I see?
Yes. Ah! I'm dropping stuff.
Yeah, I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that my mom got for the face for right now. That they're like gems that you put around your eyes.
So these are more of the sets of festival gems that the Gypsy Shrine sells, and I got one big variety pack of them. Hold it up nice and close to the camera. So there's some forehead ones, there's some different eye pieces.
And then...
Hold on, I've got a few more over here. So here's a couple more eye gems. Here's one with a little bit more of the rainbow. And then here's another set of teeth. So maybe I can do a few different looks with those. That's exciting. Oh my goodness. And then we got all these glitters. Ah!
Help me carry it. Hold some.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Look at all these. Oh, I love it. Ah!
Dad.
Some of these I already have, but that's okay. Dark Mermaid I have. It's amazing. These are gold stars. What's that, Billy? Oh, this is like a pretty turquoisey blue
My mom already
glitter.
has this like pink one.
I don't think I do.
Yeah, you do. I've seen it.
Oh, so I have one that's like clear like this, but this has a nice frosty pink to it. That's gorgeous.
Look what I did.
This one is called Rainbow Pink. Oh, Billy Boo.
It feels smooth.
She just dumped it in her hand. Scooch into the camera so they can see you. How does it feel?
So it feels smooth if you just put like the flat pieces on, but like the little pieces kind of feel weird.
Yeah,
like
but it's all
itchy.
cosmetic grade festival glitter, and they just have really unique glitter at the Gypsy Shrine. Here, put it back in the pot. We don't want to waste glitter. So I'm excited. I don't even really remember ordering this many glitters, so wow. What set did I get? I must have been, I was a little feverish, honestly, so,
Wow.
So who knows what I ordered. Oh, here's more red. Okay, so here's red diamond. Is that the other one I got? Oh yeah, so now I have 2 red diamonds. So I have some repeat ones, but that's okay. That one I didn't have. What's that called? Oh, that's beautiful. Chunky pink. Oh, I love that. Oh, I just dumped it. Oops. Not too much, but I did dump it all over the place. Luckily, we're in the studio, right?
Yeah.
All right, so that's everything out of that box. That's very exciting. Here, let's put these back in, and then we have another bag to open. And I have no idea what's in here because I don't remember what I ordered. Isn't that exciting? So I do like that it comes in this nice turned-edged box. I mean, this is a sturdy, really expensive, nice box. I'm wondering if I can turn this into a little portable glitter station. I have glitter in my Craft and Go, of course, but I'm thinking for that New Year's Eve party, I might use this. So I'm really excited about that. You'll make me something with Play-Doh, too, to help? Thank you, my love. That's so sweet.
I'll make like little containers so you can pour the glitter
Get
in.
in there.
I'm going to make little containers to help my mom that you can pour the glitter in with Play-Doh.
I love that. Thank you, Billy. That's going to be so helpful. Okay, so one more package to open.
I am...
It's like having an assistant. Will you do all my videos with me, Billy?
Yeah. But if I'm gone at school, no.
Oh, I can't pull you out of school to do videos with me?
No.
That's too bad.
That's breaking the law.
It's breaking the law.
Mom here wants to break the law.
So I think this is another set that I got. Oh, yeah. All right, I have no idea what I ordered. I don't remember
Oh my
ordering
gosh.
this, let alone like, holy. Okay, so
Holy
how many
moly.
grams are these? So in that other bag, this is what happens when you're sick and you have a credit card. I don't really remember ordering these, but how awesome is this? So not only will I have small jars for my craft and go, but these will be awesome for my New Year's party to make like a big glitter station. So hold on, Billy, let's look and see what we've really got here. So this is a huge, it doesn't say how many grams this is, but obviously, like, look at that and compared to those other little jars. This is a ton of glitter. Ton of glitter. This is a ton of glitter. Oh, is it a glittery brush? Fun. So here's a large jar of gold stars. And there's other, like, little triangles. And oh no, they're diamonds and hexagons and some small glitters as well. So that's nice. Thanks, Billy Boo.
And then all the glitters out of this and glues.
All right, and I also got a large thing of...
Wait, you should do this.
Multi-mix is my favorite. So I also got a
Mermaid Mix.
large... Nope, it's multi-mix, love.
Well,
A
it looks
large
like a
thing of
mermaid
glitter
multi-mix.
pink. All right, so I also got tons of these giant jars of glitter, which will be great for my event. You're coming to that New Year's party with me because it's a family New Year's party, so Billy will be there. Maybe you can help me that night. So here are these large jars. It doesn't say how many grams, but you can see the difference between these smaller Gypsy Shrine jars and these huge ones. This is a ton of glitter and is amazing. I am so excited that I got these. Are you done, Billy? You've had enough? All right, then say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. From Billy, I'm going to keep doing the video. Okay, so this is why Billy's not in a ton of my videos anymore. Her patience for this is just non-existent anymore, which is a shame. But at least she participated in part of it. She is now long gone and probably playing with something. Anyways, so these larger jars are amazing. I'm really excited about these, and you can see in comparison, this doesn't have the grams on it either, but this is a ton of chunky glitter. I will not be running out of this anytime soon, and I got a large container of the gold. Let's see if my camera really wants to focus on that very well. Not really, but it's gold, stars, diamonds, hexagons, and then some fine gold as well. Gorgeous. I got a large container of whatever this blue is. It's funny they're not named in these large containers, but it's this gorgeous turquoise blue with these cerulean tones in it. Beautiful. This really pretty kind of white diamond with this hint of pink. That's lovely as well. Very excited about that. This looks like Dark Mermaid almost, but not quite. Dark Mermaid's a little different. This is beautiful. This is super, super chunky and gorgeous. Nice turquoise, but like a hint of periwinkle in this one, so that's exciting. This is a beautiful, soft, lilac-y purple color, and that's lovely as well. All of these large jars, I'm never going to run out of glitter again. This is amazing. This beautiful, beautiful pink, which almost has some red glitter tones in it, so I think I could get away with using this for the holidays as well, so that's very exciting. And then the silver, which is really comparative to the gold mix. It also has the stars and hexagons and diamonds in it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful mix of chunky glitter. And then my all-time favorite from the Gypsy Shrine is their multi-mix. And it is just a mix. I can just open this up and show you guys. I've used this in a few videos, so you guys are probably familiar with it, but it is this gorgeous mix of all of these different tones and different textures of glitter. And it just looks good on anything. I mean, anything you do, Christmas, holiday, Halloween, it doesn't matter. You put multi-mix on, and it's beautiful. So having a large jar of this is incredibly exciting. And then the other thing I got, now this I know was a set. I'm not really sure about the other one. Isn't that silly? I was very sick though, and pretty feverish for a couple of days. So when I ordered this, who knows what I really did. I did not think I got all those other glitters. So that'll teach me to shop while sick. But I know in the set, oh, I got the peel off glitter glue. Okay, I didn't even know that that was part of it. I saw glue, but I didn't realize. So I don't know if you guys have seen this, but the Gypsy Shrine has been doing videos on it on Instagram and posts on it. You put this down, put the glitter on it, and it dries in almost like a patch, and then you peel it all off. So excited to try this. I will absolutely do a video on it and show you guys and tell you what I think. I also got this so pretty filbert brush that's all sparkly to apply glitter. Love this. I actually use a couple like 8-inch rounds to do that when I'm on the job, but a filbert brush is ideal because you have that flat surface that you can really pick up a lot of the glitter with and then place it on the face. And this is beautiful. I love this. I also got this little bottle of setting spray, and I've never really used a setting spray with glitter. I'm not sure how I will use this, but oh, it's vegan and party proof. What does that mean? Anyways, a nice setting spray. I wonder if it smells good. So there we go. That is my Gypsy Shrine haul. I love their glitter. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. This is not a sponsored video. I wish it was sponsored, but it's not. I paid a decent amount of money for all this stuff. They do have a lot of really good sales though. I think I got 40% off of all of this and saved a ton of money. So I hope you guys liked this. I hope you're excited to see some of these glitters and me experiment with the glitter glue in some upcoming looks. Do keep an eye on my Instagram because I will be using most of this stuff on New Year's Eve for New Year's Eve party. So I'll try to post a bunch of the looks that I do. Not sure if I'll get a video up before that on New Year's designs that I'm planning on doing, but if I don't, like I said, keep an eye on my Instagram and I'll try to post some for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I will see you in my next video.
Yeah.
Do you smell this coffee? It's cinnamon.
It smells good. You know I don't even.
You want some?